Hello, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you create text to outlines. In most of our software, InDesign, Illustrator, Photoshop, there's two ways that you can approach the text: as editable type or as outlines, or in the case of Photoshop, it's pixels. Editable type means that I can use the type tool to change whatever is actually in there. So if I misspelled this word, I could highlight it and change the word and correct my spelling. But once I have it the way I want it, if I want to manipulate it further, then in most cases with the softwares, we have to kind of create these into a graphic or pixels in order to manipulate it further and utilize the software to its fullest. InDesign will allow you to do that as well. If you click on the text itself and go to Type, Create Outlines. It's also the hotkey command at Command-Shift-O. Once you created the outlines, you can see through the layer color this light green line that's around it. If I click on my direct selection tool and float over it, you'll see the points of all the letters show up. If you have experience with Illustrator, then you may have seen this same feature. And it does the same thing, where I can click and manipulate the individual points of the letters if I wish. However, it's no longer editable in the sense that once you create the outlines, you can't go back to type. Once you've created outlines, if you've misspelled the word and have to correct it, then you have to type it over again. So you usually want to create the outlines as the very last step when you're done with it, and sometimes you may want to have a copy set aside that is not turned to outlines. And that's how you create text to outlines. In another tutorial, I'll show you how you can further manipulate this text to distort it and create effects.